How did I not know this? I've been using LiveMath since it was practically born, and I'm just now learning about drag and drop graphs. Let me show you. Okay, so I've known for a while that I can take an equation and drag it onto an existing graph. Yep, let's do that. So I now have two graphs on there. What I didn't know is that I could take a whole graph. Oops, let's do it like this. Let's take a whole graph and drag it onto another existing graph, and it sticks all three graphs together. Furthermore, I can even take that 2D graph and there we go. I can drag it onto a 3D graph, and maybe it's a little hard to see what happened there, but it stuck that 3D graph in the XY, that 2D graph in the XY plane of the 3D graph. Just amazing, the stuff that this will do. Why would I even want to do this? Well, suppose you're a student learning about multivariable calculus, or maybe you're an instructor trying to teach multivariable calculus, and you want to look at these functions of two variables in a couple different ways. You want to be able to look at them from the point of view of a 2D contour plot. Okay, let me see that 2D contour plot. Beautiful. Or you might want to say, no, I want to look at that as a 3D surface. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to draw the graph here, just a surface plot. Okay. And I'm going to look at those. Yeah. And so it's like each of those is showing you something about the function, but what if you want to see them at the same time? Well, goodness, I can just take this graph and put it right on top of that one. And now, let me zoom out a little bit on this one and make it a little bigger so we can all see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I've got that contour plot right down on the XY plane, and you can see it underneath. You can see how there's the highs and the lows are these little circular things. You can see these X's being maybe these saddle points. Even better, I could go into the details and say, rather than doing it at XY0, what if I do it at XYZ? So now it's actually computing the height and putting those contours right on the surface itself. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. The ability, the things I can do with LiveMath never cease to amaze me. I'm Will from Polyhedral Playground. Keep having fun doing your math.